Hey everybody, just wanted to hop on here and start a segment that tracks the progress of my YouTube channel. This was filmed in September of 2024 when I posted my first YouTube short and right before I posted my first video. So enjoy tracking the progress I hopefully make.
Okay, so here's my channel. This is it currently. I have not had any professional opinions given to my page, either my banner or my profile. I just figured blue, it's bright, you can see my face. This is my current description. You can pause it if you want to read it. I was just trying to be honest about what the channel was about. And I have 4 subscribers, 2 videos, 257 views, and I made this July 11th, which was probably the day that I was driving to the cabin and thought of this whole thing. So the 4 subscribers, 2 are my sisters, and the other 2 are these lovely people I met on the Reddit page NewTubers, which is for people who are starting off a new YouTube page, and I was asking some people to critique my page, and they were really nice, and they said that I was doing great, and they wanted to see how I was going to do, so they followed along. As you can see, I have one video. I have one 40-second trailer. It has 60 views. Oh, that's exciting. I posted it 2 weeks ago. That was accidental. Didn't mean to. I just didn't know how to upload something without saving it. It's the only video showing here. And one short, which was just a preview that I was going to start a YouTube channel. And today I will actually be posting the teaser trailer to my Instagram and telling people that I have a YouTube channel. So hopefully after that I get a couple more subscribers, I'm hoping, if people are interested. Wow, this has 505 views. That's awesome. But enough of looking at this page. Let's actually go into my studio. Okay, so here is my channel dashboard. As you can see, I have currently 4 subscribers. My top videos are my only videos that I have. Now, recent subscribers, you can see that I do have 1. I guess the other 2, my sisters, are private, and the other one is 2. So I have 1 subscriber. My top videos, my summary, last 28 days, I have 1.1 watch hours. My content, it's my trailer. I have 2 likes, no dislikes, that's good. 3 comments. 2 of those comments are me because someone commented and I got excited and I thanked them for being my first comment. But 60 views, that's exciting. I have 1 short posted and 1 in draft, which I will be posting today. It's just the vertical version of my trailer. And this one has 13 likes, but it has 2 dislikes. I got haters. That's exciting. And 1 comment, it's me. But 506 views, that's really exciting. That is awesome. Anyways, let's get to the juicy bits, which is the analytics. So for some reason, yesterday, I got quite a few views. Not sure what happened there. Maybe I guess the short just got picked up in the algorithm. But I have over 1 watch hour. So 1 down, 4,000 to go. And 4 down, 996 to go. If you're not familiar, I'll go over to this. This is the monetization process on YouTube. Monetization is not really my goal right now, but I figure it's a nice benchmark to look at. So this is the first one to get to 500 followers and 3,000 public watch hours, but the main one where you start making money is to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. As you can see, my bars are empty. I am not close at all to that. So great benchmark. I am almost on this one though, which is 3 video uploads. So there's a good goal to aim for. Anyways, let's go back to the analytics and check out the content. So some new viewers, some returning viewers. I got 1 subscriber from watching the video, probably because they clicked on the link I posted about my page on Reddit. My views from my shorts, my videos, and my impressions. I feel like the impressions is going to be a really good benchmark to follow along. So currently I had 99 impressions with an 11% click-through rate. I feel like an 11% click-through rate is pretty high. So I'm excited about that. Watch time from impressions is basically negligible, but that's kind of expected from a 9-second short. My main traffic source is my shorts feed, my channel page, YouTube search. Again, that's probably just me looking for my page. I wouldn't read too much into any of this because it's mainly just me. My audience, I don't have much information on my audience. A lot of it needs to get more data to figure out what my audience is. Although my top geography, shocker, is Canada. So again, that's probably just me because my location is Canada. But I'm curious to see what these turn out to be, because so far I'm kind of assuming that my demographic is going to be middle-aged, older men who are passionate about sailing and want to encourage someone to follow the dream of becoming a sailor. At least that was kind of our demographic when I was on with Sea Sondering. My subscribers, I only have 4, so not a lot of analytics to pick up off of that. But in short, this is my summary of starting at the beginning. I know it's not the beginning because I already have 4 subscribers, but it basically is because I don't have a real video up. So I wanted to do this just to show off where I'm starting from, because I would like to see it grow and I'd like to be able to compare back to it. So there it is. That's the update on my channel as it stands. I don't want to think about how many times I said I was excited, or I don't want to say it again, but honestly, it's really nice starting off at a ground zero, nowhere to go but up, and the most important thing is I'm having so much fun with this. So I'm hoping that I can check back with another video and see some improvements and compare and just look at the stats, because I love stats. So thanks for checking in. Thanks for watching it. If you're curious to see how the channel goes as well, or you want to come back and check in, if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be amazing. Next stat I show could be 5 subscribers and it's yours. So wouldn't that be fun for both of us? No, but if you like the content, if you're interested in it, if you could like it and subscribe it would be appreciated. So I'll check in with you guys another time, but in the meantime, get lost.